The main piece of equipment that you're looking at here is called the High Velocity Camera, or the HV-Cam. This is a creation of Soren and his colleagues in Denmark. And this is a piece of technology that we're using to create species maps across the field. So what this does is it takes a really high resolution image, just a red, green, blue image, and it gives a giant flash that gives us perfect illumination conditions and the highest resolution possible in a camera in precision agriculture these days. So as this drives across the field, it takes a photo every 2 to 10 meters, depending on the setting of the camera. And we're able to geolocate those photos across the field and produce maps of species composition, which is really important in the identification of weeds in fields, but also in differentiating cover crop mixes. So legumes and brassicas and grasses all have different performances. And so if we can say we have a high legume concentration in one part of the field and a high grass concentration in another part of the field, that's the kind of information that can feed into decision support tools about where you might need additional nitrogen, or in the case of weeds, where you might need additional herbicide. We can't have the HV-Cam mounted on every tractor though, so what we're working on is image degradation. So we also are working with low-cost camera systems like GoPros, and these are the future of what we'd like to see mounted on spray booms across our PSA network. Using computer vision and AI that were trained on models with the HV-Cam and using degraded images that are meant to match up with the resolution of low-cost cameras, we're creating these models that can predict species composition across fields that are easy to use in terms of our low-cost technology. A lot of our grant money and some of our recent applications is about providing technical support to growers, both in terms of the personnel that goes out in adoption of these technologies, and also the adoption of cover crops generally. So we would provide technical support to growers about mounting cameras in a way that allows us to image their field in the best possible way, and also the decision support tools where they could upload their data to produce maps that would be useful to their operations across each field.